key feature of Český Krumlov is the river. That's why the whole city's here. And one of the awesome things that you can do right out of the city, of the town, is grab a canoe and go around it. And that's what we're doing.
Hi! Josh isn't very good at steering, even though he thinks he is.
You're sassy. Why do you gotta be sassy? She's so sassy. Well, we made it down the rapids, not completely unscathed. Both our pants are
Wet.
kind of soaking, but still awesome view of the castle. Well, that's church, but the castle's
Hiding behind the tree.
over there. You know, it's all there. This is really cool. You know, it's only half an hour. You can do it like right out your hotel door, and you can get a great view of this whole old village. Awesome. I swear I didn't wet my pants. I just had fun canoeing.